guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut chaat. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need to make peanut chaat are peanuts. I've taken 2 cups in this rice cup. Coriander, I have frozen coriander. If you have fresh coriander, you can use that. This is a chilli, I've cut it into really small pieces. This is red chilli powder, salt, lime juice. This is chaat masala, you can use garam masala also if you want. I've cut a medium-sized onion into small pieces and also a large tomato cut into small pieces. First, you have to soak your peanuts for at least 2 hours. You have to sieve your peanuts and separate the water from them. Next, you have to transfer your peanuts into a vessel and pour some water in it. Then you need to add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. After mixing it, you need to put a lid on it and let the peanuts boil. To know that the peanuts are boiled, you can take one into your hand and try to squeeze it. If it breaks easily, then that means that they're boiled. Then you need to sieve it and take it into another bowl. Now you need to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala or garam masala, green chillies, onions, tomatoes, and coriander. Then you have to mix it thoroughly. After mixing it, you need to add 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice and then mix it again. Healthy peanut chaat is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.